Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annaleve and today I am piercing my ear. Well, I'm not doing it myself. My little sister is doing it. I asked my mom to do it and she really just said no. Mommy, I bought the thing to pierce my ear. Can you pierce my ear for me?
No.
Please.
No.
Why not?
No.
You just gotta go like this.
I said no. Okay.
Mommy.
I said no.
Like flat out no. And I was really expecting her to say yes, whatever, it's chill, but whatever, mom. This hair is brought to you by me taking out my feed-ins. If you want to watch that video, I'm gonna definitely link it up above. But I just got a simple braid out. My hair feels like so light. But I need to wash my hair because I'm getting my hair done. So I asked my Instagram where I could get my ear pierced, and they told me like they recommended some spots, but I just wasn't trying to pay $40 for an ear piercing. So another person suggested that I do a self-piercing kit, which I got. I never thought I would do this, but got the self-piercing kit. This was $5. And a lot of the stuff I do a lot of DIY stuff because I don't ever want to pay for anything, honestly. Like I do my own nails, I do my own eyebrows, do my own hair. I do my own waxes. So really I'm just like a DIY babe. But yeah, so my little sister's about to do this piercing. She marked it. I probably thought like, oh, I was doing cartilage. I would never do cartilage by myself. I'm just doing my second hole. Maybe I'll do my third, but I don't think I want that many piercings. And I know a lot of you guys got this in middle school, but I'm behind the curve. I got this cartilage when I like last year. So whatever, everybody runs their own race or whatever they say. But anyways, y'all, stay tuned. My little sister's about to come in the camera and she's gonna pierce my ear. We're gonna see how this goes because I'm a little scared. But yeah. So we marked our ears. We marked the ear a little bit. Clearly this one's too close, so we're about to redo that one and then get into this. So I got my marks down, or she got my marks down. When you do them, you have to like, so we marked it without my earring. You see how far apart they are, and then we put the earring in. And then it should be a good distance, bruh. You'll see. The same with this side, so it's better to mark it without and then put it in because you don't want them to be too close to each other or it won't work. Alright. Drop it.
Oui, j'ai peur.
What side do I want to do first? Which is my cartilage? Let's do this side first.
Oh my gosh.
So are you ready? Wait.
Like I said, I'm gonna try to put enough pressure the first time. If I don't, I will have to press harder. I'm sorry.
Oh.
How is it?
Is it in?
No! I mean, you need to push it in.
Yeah, I ain't doing this no more. You dropped the earring. It's not even sterile.
The earring is in their ear. It didn't go.
Oh, to my ear?
Yes.
What fell then?
Huh?
What fell?
The edges of it falls off.
Oh.
But the earring is not like, go look at it. It's not all the way in yet.
I'm scared.
Why did it?
It hurts.
I'm pushing, Annalie. I'm squeezing.
No, I don't want to do this. Well, I'm gonna have one earring.
You don't even have one yet. It's not all the way in.
Guys. Them TikTok girls, she just did a push and it was in. This one, y'all see? It's not even in my ear. That jaw was hurting.
And I was squeezing.
I don't think I could do it.
I was squeezing. It's not even all the way in.
I really
check. There's the backing there.
It's not even in my, like, y'all, it's not even in my ear. What is it? I haven't even looked at it.
Let me see if the backing is there.
Y'all, Claire's about to know me.
The backing is there. You just
it's in?
You have to push it, Emily. Just push it. Because that means it went all the way through. Just push. It might be too close.
Yeah, it's serious weirder than I thought it would be.
Me too. Push it. I can do it.
Just do it.
I'm gonna put my hands again.
I guess, yeah.
Just push it. Move your hair. Hold your hair.
No, that wasn't bad.
The hole was already there.
Where's the back to it?
It's cute. You still filming?
Okay, y'all, might continue. Let's kind of give it. Oh my god, but I should have really actually, like, I tell you, I held, my parents are sleeping. I held it and I screamed. I could have screamed, and I don't even be yelling.
Was it? Do you like it?
I don't like how big this earring is, but I'm gonna change it to hoop when I can. But I just realized I have to clean this. But I think it's cute. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. I'm ready.
So the second position, is it
I'm
good?
ready. I'm ready. Yeah. Move your head a bit.
Girl, I'm trying to see your
Okay,
ear.
come on.
Sorry.
There you go.
Yeah, they just don't go in all the way. Sorry, that me taking it off might hurt, but I have to push it again.
No, it didn't hurt.
They literally just don't go in all the way. I don't know
Hey,
why.
no one in hers way. Thanks, Lily. Thanks, Lily. I'm Peters. I'm Peters. I'm Peters. What did you guys spend at Claire's to get your ear pierced? Cause I spent $5. I spent $5 and $5. $5. Okay. Earring included.
Those things look good.
Do I know what it is? I don't know what quality is, but
Let me see both sides. Sure, they look good. I don't care.
guys, if you were thinking about piercing your own ear, get someone else to do it. But I think this look, I'm whispering. I'm always recording at night, so my voice is a little low. But I really think these look good. Like, period. I saved $35 on car insurance. Let's hope these stay good. The first piercing, I don't know why the first one hurt more than the second one. Maybe because she was an amateur. The second one, she bodied it. It's so ugly.
I'm so
But
ugly.
like, guys,
They're cute. They're cute.
it's cute. It's cute.
It was
Anyways,
scary. It was
Yeah, how did
definitely-
you feel?
It was scary. She started screaming, and I was like, I have to keep going. I was scared, and like, why were you screaming?
The first one really hurt.
I could see your skin like puncturing.
Wait, my ear piercing?
This one looked like not looked worse, but like physically, I could see your ear like being pierced, and that's scary. That's
Yeah,
like
wait, why would this one didn't seem like it didn't even hurt really? Wait,
you were screaming. This is the
wait,
you
this
guys-
one you could see my skin.
like I saw it slow motion like pierced, and I was like, that's weird.
Who wants me to pierce them? It's like no. But
She's doing me next, so.
alright, y'all. Thanks for watching my video. DIY yourself and tag me in your video and show me how it went.